Hello guys, what's up? This is Eliza and welcome to the Eliza channel. Guys, may tanong ako. Alam niyo ba yung Bambi? Bambi stands for Babaeng may bigote. At isa ako doon. Kasi sobrang balbon ko. Ayan, tignan nyo. Kitang-kita, diba? Tapos nakatayo pa siya. Kahit na hindi ako kinikilabutan or natatakot or nadjijebs, nakataas lang yung balahibo ko. At pag balbon ka, sobrang high maintenance kasi kailangan mong pa-wax or mag-shave all the time. Of course, nakakatamad din naman paminsan at hindi rin naman mura yung waxing tsaka threading. Sa ngayon, hindi ko pa afford na magpa-laser. So, stick muna tayo sa waxing. And isa sa mga body part or area na madalas kong winawax on my own is yung upper lip ko. Yeah, so this area. Dati madalas ako nagpapawax sa mga waxing salons, pero nakatamad lumabas all the time. Tapos, ang haba ng pila. I don't have the patience to do that. So, nag-aral ako by watching YouTube videos kung paano mag-self-wax. At nagkaroon na rin ako ng tapang at lakas ng loob na mag-wax ng sarili ko. So, usually underarm, tsaka upper lip lang yung winawax ko. And then, madalas yung legs is sinashave ko lang. Although, I know hindi naman maganda ang mag-shave ng madalas dahil nagkakaroon ng bumps yung skin, nagiging dry yung skin, minsan nagdo-darken din, tapos yung ingrown hair pa. So, yun yung problema din doon. So, sometimes, winawax ko din yung legs ko. But, for today, I will show you how I self-wax my upper lip using self-wax strips na madali mo lang mahanap at mabibili sa mga department stores, beauty shops, and sometimes sa drugstore. So, madali lang siya mabibili at mas affordable pa siya kaysa sa pagpunta sa mga waxing salons or magpa-thread. Although, let's say, same amount ibabayad mo for one session of waxing sa isang box nung waxing strips. But yung sa waxing strips kasi is mas magagamit mo pa siya several times. So, hindi mo na kailangang bumili or gumastos ng mas madalas every time kakailanganin mo na magpa-wax or alisin yung mga unwanted body hair or unwanted facial hair. So, ipapakita ko na yung mga products na ginagamit ko sa pagsa-self-wax ko. I use several waxing products for different areas na winawax ko. So, usually for underarm or for the legs, I use this Nani Bros Honey Wax. So, it's all natural, sabi niya. Another one is the waxing strips from Silk Organics. So, meron na itong maliit. Ito yung facial wax. So, ito ang ginagamit ko para sa upper lip ko. And then, meron siyang bigger version. This one is for the body, like underarms, arms, legs, what else? Like, bikini area, I think. Yeah, so mas malakas siya. Silk Organics din to. And, binibili ko siya usually sa Landmark. So, the big one is 99 pesos, I think. And then, the small one, it's around 69 or 59 pesos. And then, another one that I use is the Megan Body Wax Strips. Okay, mas madalas ko tong gamitin sa legs ko. So, maybe in the future, I will make another video, a separate video on how I wax my legs or my arms or my underarms using this Megan Body Wax Strips. Aloe vera gel. So, I use this to soothe my skin after waxing. So, madalas may redness yan or medyo masakit, parang may burning feeling. So, I apply this one. I usually keep this in the fridge para mas masarap yung feeling pag ginamit ko. And another one is aloe vera cleansing wipes. So, very, very like ko talaga ang aloe vera. Kasi nga, very soothing siya and perfect siya for waxing. So, I will show you in a while my routine and the different steps on how I do self-wax on my upper lip. First step is to make sure that your face is clean and dry. Kung may makeup kayo, take it off. And make sure hindi oily or hindi pawis yung area na i-wax niyo. So that means itong upper lip. So most people pinapawisan yan. So just pat it dry with a clean towel or tissue. And then we will move on to the next step. That is applying a bit of baby powder dun sa area na i-wax nyo. Just to make sure, extra sure, na dry siya. What I like to do is I put a bit of baby powder sa cotton pads. Ayan, meron na siya. Tapos para mawala yung excess. And then dami. A little lang. So, open na natin ngayon yung box ng waxing strip. So, ito yung gagamitin natin, yung Silk Organic Facial Strips. Mas maliit siya. Yung size niya is just enough para sa face. But, ang iwa-wax lang natin is yung upper lip area. So, ganito siya kalaki. So, masyado pa din siyang malaki para dito. So, what I like to do is, I cut it into slimmer strips. Let's cut this one. Ayan. So, yung kalahati lang yung gagamitin ko. Since there are two sides naman na may wax. Okay. And then, next is, sabi dun sa instruction sa box is to rub the wax strips between your hands for 30 seconds until wax feels warm. You may also use a hairdryer for more convenience. You can get a hairdryer and then just set it on the lowest setting. Tapos, warm it up for 30 seconds. Medyo warm na siya. I can also feel it. Tapos, malambot-lambot na rin yung wax strip. So, now, it's time to apply this sa upper lip area. Okay, so, just pull it. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds. So, masakit ba siya? Depende sa pain tolerance ninyo. For me, may times na masakit, may times na hindi. Siguro depende sa condition ng katawan ko. Ayun, pero for me, mas masakit pa din yung threading. Now, it's time to pull the wax strip with force. Medyo, wag nyo, pwedeng isang biglaang hila, hatak, or pwedeng paunti-unti na may force yung hatak ninyo. Going to the opposite direction ng hair growth. Okay. So, here. Hold this area. And then, you can pull your skin a little. And then, let's... Oh my God! After I wax, wipe the area. So, you will see may mga excess siya na wax. May mga kumapit na wax. So, what I like to do is to wipe it with oil, baby oil, facial oil, sometimes body oil kung walang choice. Kung wala talaga kayong body oil sa bahay, pwedeng olive oil. It works the same. Okay, so dito kasi ang gagamitin ko is yung wipes, yung post-depilatory wipe na sinasabi nila. So ano din to, soak din siya with oil. Yan. So kasama na siya dito sa box nung waxing strips. By the way, yung bigote ko, tumutubo siya like every 2 weeks. So, madalas talaga akong mag-wax ng upper lip ko. At kailangan ko din ng post-depilatory wipe. Ayan. So just gently dab and wipe the excess wax na dumikit dun sa balat. Okay. So once all the excess wax on the skin is completely removed, then wipe it. Kasi oil yan. Ayan. So, ito wet wipe lang siya. A gentle wet wipe. After I have completely cleaned and wiped the area, I apply aloe vera gel. Because it helps to soothe your skin. Minsan painful. After ng waxing or even ng threading, ganyan. Okay, so just wipe it all over the area. Okay, perfect. And then just let it dry. Ayan! So, very easy mag-self-wax ng upper lip, and maybe you'll get to learn how to do self-wax in other areas. Very, very convenient, very easy. It saves a lot of time, affordable, easy to find yung items, and it will always come handy. I'm telling you, like may mga biglaang lakad, biglaang beach, kailangan ninyo mag-swimsuit or mag-sleeveless, at hindi pa due para sa pagpunta ninyo ng waxing salons. So you can always do, or you can always wax yourself at home. So before I end this video, just one note that I would like to leave to everyone, both to the ladies and the gentlemen. Whatever you dislike or whatever you feel conscious about yourself, about your body, about your face, learn to embrace it and love it, because self-love is the best form of self-care. Diba? Sino pa bang magmamahal sa atin kundi yung sarili din natin? Ayan. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please click the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to the Eliza channel. You can also turn on your notifications so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. So this is Eliza and you're watching on the Eliza channel.